How's it going, guys and gals? Gasman here, doing this quick video for you guys on the exhaust setup I have on my 2011 4.7 Ram 1500. Basically bone stock, I guess, other than maybe a K&N filter. I do have, for a muffler, instead of the stock one, I have a Dynamax bullet, and then in the back I have the Resonator deleted. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it sounds. I'm only doing the video because I've had a good amount of people at my job, and whenever I go to the gas station, ask me what kind of exhaust setup I have because they like the way it sounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly how this setup sounds, basically bone stock, on this 4.7 2011 Dodge Ram. Is basically how that sounds on this 4th gen Ram. Not the prettiest, but sounds pretty good. Sorry about the cans. I like soda. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you liked the video. I hope the sound quality doesn't sound as butchered as I think it might sound. This is a pretty decent phone, so who knows? We'll see in the video. Like and subscribe if you want. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I am debating on adding some other stuff. I'm probably going to do a cam sometime soon, so be in store for that. Thanks, and have a good one.